At first, when anyone encounters these courtship displays from their parrots, they think they're about to have some adorable chicks. Well, maybe that's the case, but for me, it was a serious challenge. Hello and welcome to the Prime Fauna channel. Today, I want to talk to you about an exemplary mother who abandoned her offspring. A month ago, my birds were ready for breeding. I was excited about having new chicks, but after spotting the first egg, I noticed the mother wasn't incubating it. Throughout the day, I checked several times, and each time the mother was just playing around. So I stepped in, and despite the mother's aggressive behavior, I removed the egg and placed it in the incubator. Now, let's watch the chick's growth process together.